to use Canva Bulk Create to make hundreds of posts fast. So let me tell you guys, Canva Create is a paid feature. So if you have a paid feature, you can easily do this inside the Canva app only. So what you can do is open the Canva app on your device, then now open your design templates like an Instagram post, then keep the design elements clear, leaving text or image placeholders where data will change. Now to add your data, scroll through the menu at the bottom of your screen and then select Bulk Create. Now since I already told you that you need to have a paid subscription for this feature, I don't have it, so you are not able to see it on my screen. Now what you have to do is choose enter data manually to type or paste a list or upload CSV if you exported a spreadsheet from Excel or Google Sheets. Then name your data column and then select connect data. Then choose the matching column from your data list and then tap continue and then generate designs to let Canva build all your posts automatically, make minor text or alignment adjustment and the final batch if needed. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.